Is your phone stuck on 4G even though it supports 5G? Don't worry, I'll show you how to unlock your 5G network in just a few easy steps. So, let's get started. First, head over to your settings and tap on Mobile Network. Next, you will see a list of available networks. So, select the one you want to set as 5G. Just tap on it. Now go to Preferred Network Type, and from the list, choose 5G. And that's it. You've enabled 5G on your phone. Just a quick tip, if your area doesn't have 5G coverage yet, your phone will automatically switch back to 4G or LTE. So, don't panic if you don't see the 5G icon right away. With this setting, your phone will always connect to the fastest network available. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your lightning fast 5G connection. See you next time!